That's the way. Bend your knees. No splashing, please.
Sorry.
And steady, watch that eddy to your right. Danger sign.
Danger sign?
That's fishing line.
Fishing line?
Which strangles if it tangles you uptight. He's a natural in a class of his own.
Wonderful. I am feeling full grown.
Look at you. You have every reason to hold your head up high, as if free from all troubles. Your back stays nice and dry.
But bottoms and bubbles keep
Paddling